Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's doing good today. Hope your weekend's off to a good one. I'm about to call it a day and go to sleep so I can wake up and start my work week. Because, hey, Friday night, mess it up, turn it into Monday morning. Anyway, uh, it is Friday, February 21st at about 11:45 in the AMs. Yay. Anyway, yeah, paying attention to things because I'm contemplating getting another phone. And the one I was looking at, apparently, the new economy version from Apple, the 16E to replace the SE. Yeah, apparently, it's got a lot of problems that they aren't talking about, and just calling a calling it a two-ish camera when it's really just one-ish is just part of the big lie that they're pumping out on this one. Yeah, but hey, it's all marketing. Mm-hmm. Anyway, chili. I'm tired of it already. I feel like I'm about to explode. My gut's rumbling. Yeah, I think if I eat another bite of chili, I'm gonna explode. Uh, that's a good thing. But I still got like probably at least gallon and a half, if not 2 gallons, of of chili. Yeah, but that's okay. I'm gonna eat more. Like I said, several days more, but it's good. Uh, got a credit card in. Well, not so much a credit card as something PayPal tied in together. Uh, and that's something else. PayPal, eBay. They're worrying about Musk having access to social security numbers, but he's already got them all because of PayPal, eBay. Yeah, more senseless crap by idiots that don't think about stuff. But hey, yeah, it is what it is. Sadly, there's a bunch of idiots out there. Hey, self inflicted stupidity and idiocy, what is? Just saying. Hmm. Just saw a thumb come up on my computer. I don't know if it shows in this thing or not, but please let me know. Did a thumb show up besides my thumb? One that was in a little bubble? I don't know. Huh? Never saw that before. Anyway, maybe I'm just losing my mind. It's a short trip. Yeah. But yes, trying to get this off into the uploaded and into YouTube. I want to try to get to bed early and on time today. I've been all juggling my sleep patterns here for the last couple, and yeah, again, my body wants to be awake during the day and sleep at night like it's supposed to. My job still needs me to be asleep during the day and awake at night, like my job wants me to. Such fun. uh, it is what it is. Anyway, saw a couple of interesting videos. They're talking about consolidating and uh, making everybody who goes to the tourist uh, places set up and go through a government website to register. I hope not. Quite honestly, I don't need that's like an HOA. Another level of government into stuff it doesn't need to be into for just purely government stupidity reasons. Yeah, HOAs. Let's add a layer of government because, well, we're just stupid. Yeah, God was right. We ain't gonna like judges and kings. So, yeah. But hey, a bunch of idiots keep asking for more. And we're supposed to be nice to them. Why? I mean, seriously, if somebody's trying to take away your choice, force you to do something, they're stealing your gift from God and forcing you to do something. Forcing. Yeah. I don't try to tell people what to do. But hey, I'll gladly call you an idiot if I think you're an idiot. I'm good at it. I piss stupid people off intentionally. Don't care if you don't like it, that's your problem. I have my own problems. I don't try to worry about other people's problems till they start shoving them in my face and making me have to deal with them. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting old and cranky, tired of dealing with other people. But if they're going to keep doing stupid, yeah. What's that guy from that 70s show, the dad, always calling them dumbass? Uh-huh. Bunch of them out there. But hey, we all get to make choices. We all get to choose for ourselves and suffer the consequences of it. I am very much still rooting for the bumpers. If you want to dance in the middle of the road, dance. I hope a bumper gets you. And hey, 8 dirt bike wrecks, 7 street bike wrecks, and 14 car wrecks. I've had my share. So I got to the point I try to avoid being in the middle of the road. Might be why I ache everywhere. Just saying. But hey, choices, they're yours to make. Consequences, they kind of come along with getting to make a choice. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, sometimes they hurt. John Wayne said, life's hard. It's harder when you're stupid. Mm-hmm. Smart man there. Anyway, had a bit of thoughts processes that been going through and getting to hear all the different things that are going on makes you wonder some days what really is. Like I say, I don't try to tell people how to live their lives, but hey, you might need to start thinking more. I know it's not easy sometimes, but I can tell you it's better to think a lot than to not think at all. Yeah, life is painful. You don't have to add to it by not thinking about ways to avoid pain. But hey, just my thought. Smarten up, get out of the road, leave stupid street alone. But hey, you can choose to dance there if you want to, and I'll keep rooting for the bumpers. Anyway, I hope you have a blessed weekend with lots of food, friends, and family, and more food. Like I say, we all get to make the choices. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm William, Williams Philippines. Later blessings, bye bye. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.